Are you ready to meet robots that bend, stretch, and squish just like living things? Scientists are copying nature to build the future of robotics. Soft robots are inspired by octopuses, worms, and even human muscles. They're made with stretchy materials like silicone or rubber. This lets them squeeze through tight spaces or grip objects gently. Soft robots can go places regular robots can't, like inside your body for surgery or under the ocean. Nature's genius is leading the way, and the future of robotics just got a whole lot squishier. International Innovator Awards. Visit us, innovatораwards.org. Contact us, contact innovatораwards.org. Nominate now. Join with us. Stay tuned for more updates.